how to add mobile number on your Facebook account. So open the Facebook app, then click the three lines and scroll down and click here the setting and privacy and click the setting option and scroll down and you show options like profile detail. So click here and scroll down and you show options like mobile number you are show it. So click the edit icon and click here manage contact information and you show your mobile number. So click here the add new contact and click the add phone number options and enter your phone number and click on the next button and your mobile number is successfully updated.